Hey, gonna do a quick review on Senora Verde taco sauce. This is a mild. It's a Save-A-Lot product. Save-A-Lot has 100% guaranteed on all the products. If you're not happy, they'll refund your money. Just take the product and your receipt back with you to the store. This is pretty good. It's pretty nice, pretty good little taco sauce for little tacos, and I like chili tonight. I use this in the chili. It tasted pretty good in the chili tonight. You get 16 ounce, which is a pound of it. Serving size is 1 tablespoon. Servings per container, 10 calories per serving. 120 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams total carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar. You get 2% of your vitamin A. With this also per serving. We got Save-A-Lot. You're never at the house, so we do a lot of grocery shopping there. So we buy a lot of Save-A-Lot products, save money on groceries. It's mild and it's not really spicy real bad. I can eat spicy food because my stomach. Spicy food makes me sick to my stomach because problems I have with it. It's pretty good. Like I said, we use it in tacos, and I mixed a pot of chili with it earlier tonight. It went pretty good with on the chili. It's a Senora Verde taco sauce, which, like I said, is Save-A-Lot brand taco sauce. You can buy it at Save-A-Lot that may be near you.